Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to send Bitcoin using the PayPal app. First, open your PayPal app and sign in. On the home screen, tap the Finances button at the bottom left. It looks like a small chart icon. Then, select Crypto at the top to view your cryptocurrencies. Tap Bitcoin and then locate the directional arrows at the bottom right. Select Send BTC. Now, enter the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address or scan their QR code to avoid mistakes. Double-check the address because Bitcoin transactions cannot be reversed. Next, choose the amount you want to send. You can enter it in Bitcoin or your local currency. The minimum amount on PayPal is 0.001 Bitcoin. Once confirmed, tap Send to this address and approve the transaction. PayPal will process your transaction and provide a confirmation screen with the transaction ID. And that's it. You've successfully sent Bitcoin using the PayPal app. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.